Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of the gold daily time frame. Now I am looking this market and explaining before you, and then you let me know in the comments what do you think of this market now. There's my belief that this level is broken. This was about 1807 or 8. If you have seen my previous videos, I have been calling this a level, and according to my view, now this level is broken. And when this level is broken and the gold went up to 1810, then it's my the way I am watching this market as that it will go up now. In this week, there are two very important news. Let me show you those. First news is that of there is the news. This is the CPI, very important news. CPI rocks the markets. This is the news on Wednesday, 14th December. This is the CPI on Wednesday, and on Thursday there is the news of a FOMC meeting. Where is the FOMC meeting? Here. FOMC here. This is FOMC. This is on the Thursday, 15th December. These are the two main news of the USD, and they are going to the gold market. Even these are the important news. Still, I see that the gold will go up. Now, whatever CPI comes and whatever FOMC decides, but my technicals are telling me that the gold is going up because this level is broken. Why? Because why the buyer bought on this level 1810? If the market wouldn't be able to break this level, then there was the chance of breaking down. Now first it retested here. Let me put the horizontal line, and please you also let me know in the comments what is your opinion about this. First it came to retest here, and I think this is the second retest above this. Let me open this in the 4-hour time frame. Let us see. I think this is the here. This is maximum here. I think this is the retest of this level, and the gold is expected to go up and break this level. Okay, what if the level is broken, then where do we expect to go the gold? Then we are expecting the gold to go at this level, and that is 1879. That is the next level after the break of this level. So these two levels, the one is on the Thursday and the second on the first, the one CPI on the Wednesday, and on Thursday there is a FOMC meeting. So I think that the market is going up to 1817. Okay, this is my technical analysis. Anything can happen, and we will watch together what happens. But before that happens, let me know in the comments what is your analysis of the gold. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, like my this video, and also like my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.